Take a ride in the 2022 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.